This is our garage utility sink. As you can see, it's horribly stained, paint covered, and just downright disgusting. Over the years, I've tried countless cleaning products, bleach, scrubbing powders, magic erasers, you name it, but none of them have made much of a difference. Today, I'm combining the Pink Stuff cleaning paste, the Pink Stuff squeezy sponge, and my Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber to see if this trio can finally tackle these stubborn stains. First, I'm starting with just the Pink Stuff paste and the Pink Stuff sponge. I'm actually shocked at how quickly the stains are lifting. The dark purple-brown stain has been here since before we moved in, over 10 years ago. I've only ever been able to make it fade slightly until now. After just 60 seconds of scrubbing, this patch is completely clean. Encouraged by these results, I moved to the rest of the sink. The stains are coming off surprisingly well, but the corners are a bit trickier and my hands are starting to tire, so I bring in the heavy-duty Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber. This sink also has layers of caked-on paint from the previous owner, some of it dating back 15 to 20 years. I attach a rough bristle head to the sponge scrubber and get to work. It takes some effort, but the scrubber is lifting even the toughest paint spots. Honestly, I never thought I'd see a day when these were gone. After 30 minutes of work with the Pink Stuff paste, the Pink Stuff squeezy sponge, and the Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber, here's the result. It's not perfect, but the difference is incredible. It's so much cleaner than before. If you're struggling with stubborn stains or years-old grime, these products might be just the solution you're looking for. Want to check them out for yourself? Links to everything I used are in the description below.